Ooh.
Yeah, the edge closes all line items except for the receivers. Well, they close receivers too, but you can put in. Mm-hmm. Yep.
How do I even drop one? No! I. How? How? Am I supposed to grab one?
Mm-hmm. Right. Mm-hmm.
How? This is what's game easy. Just drop the thing. Drop. What? Yay. Yay! Now, finally. Where's that other green? Where's that green chest? I wish I had horse. And no.
That's too loud.
This is why horse is awesome. Good. Yeah. But how do I drop these things? Why am I so red about girl? I hear going on.
How much on 103?
Yeah. Yes, victory! Victory, 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 yeah, yeah. Victory, 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 yeah, yeah. Okay, guys. So that is how you get up here. Oh, the easy way you can use a horse.
Who, me?
Finally. Green crystal, you're not mine. Now let's go. You said. Yes! I did it! I finally did it!
Yeah.
Yes, finally. I've been waiting for this, for you, my slingshot. Now let's go shoot down that balloon boy. Let's go shoot down that balloon boy, shall we? Okay, let's head. Oh, no, stop. Okay, let's head down. Hey, balloon boy. Here. Get down. Oh man, you shut me down.
Elijah, hold on, I'm on the phone.
Now let's open this. Open sesame. Hello? Right click.
Yeah.
Yes. I don't have a golden key anymore. I'm gonna kill this cow. Oh, yeah. Ooh. I get money for that. This is so much easier.
Elijah, I'm on the phone. How many installs you in the bedroom? Was the Ludwig install or upgrade? He must have traded that to Richard, that little wizard, because he said put that one on Irvin, and then Irvin Robertson, and then put the other one on Jeremy. So I guess the Glenville on me, and because I heard him say little wizard. I don't know about my job, so it was easy enough because both of them was pretty much switch apps. My installs, but the first one, the lady mom died, so she kept talking about that. I don't know what to say about that. I mean, I felt, I just said sorry for your loss, whatever the case may be. Um, but the account was in her mom's name. But I did go up there. I did get up top, switch out the LMB because it was a swim file. Let's just put what's his face on top of it. I asked the guy if he wanted a new dish because that's the second job. Because the first job I put up a new dish and that was a pain in the rump because he had two houses and the daggum system swap. You know the system swap box at the other house. Good thing it wasn't too far. I had to drive down there and take two D12s down there and grab that D11 and that RCA and drop them off, switch them out. Then because I had to go and hook them up to make sure they worked. It wasn't too far. I had to drive to his other house because I waited on hold for an hour. Just for them to tell me, I told him that I may not be able to do it. The system swap, change the system swap box or delete that system swap off of there. And they couldn't do it. Order modification couldn't do it. So, yeah, remember me and you had that problem before, so. No. It was it was FSCP, yeah. And so once I switched those out, then I had to come back to the house and activate.
I'm gonna head to the llama, cause
and that took me
never mind.
An hour and 45